It's the eyeball. Take a bite. Take a bite.
How about this?
Okay, take a bite. You wanted it, now you gotta eat it.
Cupcake. I have in the birthday.
Oh, is it a birthday?
No.
We can eat cupcakes when it's not a birthday. You need help eating it? I think you can manage it. Open your mouth and put a bite in.
Look, Mommy, cupcake.
It's okay to make a mess. I'll clean you up. Just stop wiping it on your chair.
I want Elmo in there.
No, we already cut that one up. That's the one you get.
I want Elmo. I don't want this one.
Well, that's the one you get. You either get that one or nothing. Just put it in your mouth, Chase.
Mommy, I need help with this.
Oh my goodness.